Well, not only reeling, they were all out of the country.
Oh, really? Oh,
yeah, my dad was in Chile, my mom was in Jersey. She'd just flown back to take care of my grandma.
Oh. Yeah, I'm just checking.
I know.
Your grandma's sick now, too?
Well, getting old.
Oh.
Yeah. Just rub under the arm. Yeah.
That's all there is. Get you right out of that poop. We're going to take this off your little leg. Yeah, you have more of an opinion about everything, huh? You have more of an opinion. That's okay. I don't mind. You can have an opinion. There you go. There you go. Oh, I'm just separating it ever so slowly.
Hey.
Yeah.
Julia.
They have to come off. Yes, they do. Good for your skin. Yeah. Gotta get this one off too.
Yeah.
That's all right. That's all right. Almost done. Yeah. It's all right.
See, doesn't that
Okay.
feel good?
Okay. I'm just pushing the person who feeds me. I think this woman's gonna put something in my tummy in a minute.
Look at that, all clean now.
Yummy.
The soap. Oh, see, they do just like the water, don't they? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Who's that? Hey. Oh, yeah. Seen all the girl parts? I'm protesting.
Not what I signed up for when I came out. I just wanted to be fed. That's about
She doesn't like the water.
I just really want my tummy fed.
She really is, yeah.
Yeah. More of an opinion. Just more of an opinion than most, huh?
Ooh, look at that little butt.
More of an opinion than most. All right. You can have more of an opinion. There you go. Dry sheet. Oh, yes, it's okay.